Squid, a cross-chain infrastructure provider, has announced the close of a $6 million seed funding round led by North Island Ventures, with notable participation from Ripple and Borderless Capital. This marks a significant step forward for a company focused on solving one of the most pressing challenges in blockchain: interoperability. The funding will be used to expand Squid's engineering team and accelerate the development of its cross-chain messaging and asset transfer protocols. These protocols aim to streamline how different blockchain networks communicate, which is a critical barrier to the broader adoption of decentralized applications. Ripple's involvement is particularly noteworthy, as the company has been actively investing in infrastructure that bridges its XRP Ledger with other blockchain ecosystems. Borderless Capital, a venture firm focused on the Algorand ecosystem, also joined the round, adding further credibility to Squid's approach. The growing interest from institutional investors suggests a broader recognition that blockchain's future depends on seamless communication between different networks. Squid's technology is designed to reduce the friction involved in moving assets and data across chains. This is a major hurdle for developers and users who. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Want to build or use applications that span multiple blockchains without relying on complex and often insecure bridges? Ripple's investment signals a strategic push to integrate XRP-based transactions into a wider cross-chain framework. At the same time, Borderless Capital's participation highlights confidence in Squid's potential to work within the Algorand ecosystem, known for its high throughput and low transaction costs. As the blockchain industry matures, the ability to transfer assets and data between chains like Ethereum, Solana, and Cosmos is becoming increasingly important. Decentralized finance, DeFi, and other applications that rely on liquidity and interoperability are driving demand for solutions that can connect disparate networks. Squid's approach emphasizes security and speed, addressing known issues with current bridge protocols that have been prone to vulnerabilities. Analysts believe this is a key step toward the next phase of DeFi growth, where liquidity is no longer siloed within individual blockchains. The funding will also be used to improve the reliability of cross-chain messaging and ensure that asset transfers are both fast and secure. The company's goal is to make blockchain interoperability more accessible and less fragmented. Developers who build on Squid's infrastructure may find it easier to create applications that work across multiple chains without relying on third-party bridges. This could lower the technical barrier to entry for new projects and encourage more innovation in the space. Ripple's involvement also raises questions about how the XRP Ledger will integrate with other ecosystems. The company has long focused on payments and financial infrastructure, and this funding suggests a broader push into cross-chain solutions. Meanwhile, Borderless Capital's presence reinforces Squid's connection to the Algorand ecosystem. The success of Squid's protocols will. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Depend on how well they can scale and maintain security while handling increasing volumes of cross-chain transactions. If Squid can deliver on these promises, it could position itself as a key player in the infrastructure layer of the blockchain industry. The next signal to watch will be the release of Squid's updated protocols and how they perform in real-world usage. Developers and investors will be looking for concrete improvements in speed, security, and ease of integration. Ripple's ongoing investments in cross-chain infrastructure may also provide further insight into the company's long-term strategy.